Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT to interpret code, how to use ChatGPT to work on Excel file and do many amazing things. So let's start. Um, so the first thing we want to do is analyze an Excel file with ChatGPT. So we have a sales data, and we want to use ChatGPT to analyze it. So for example, you can use yours. Let's say you have an assignment and you have or like a file at the office and you want to work on, instead of you going row by row or column by column, you can actually use ChatGPT to analyze it. So let's upload this sales data. So then we just give ChatGPT the prompts. Alright, so analyze this sales data and summarize the top three performing category. Also create a bar chart comparing each category's total performance. So this is the prompts and this is the file. So let's go. So now ChatGPT is actually analyzing it, and in few minutes we're gonna get the results. All right, so let's wait and see. So this will actually speed up your work, and so as you can see, this is the bar charts and showing the categories: the category A, category B, and category C. So let's go to the second one. So you can use ChatGPT to clean and format data. So we have a dirty data, and we need ChatGPT to actually clean this and format it for us. So let's upload this data. So as you can see, it's called the dirty data actually. So then we just put the prompt. The prompt says clean this data set by removing the rows with missing names, replacing the invalid dates with NA, filling empty scores with an average scores, and rename the column to student submission date and scores. So make sure that you actually give the right prompt when you are actually um, asking ChatGPT to do the work, because the more prompts you give, the better. As you can see, now ChatGPT said your data set has been successfully cleaned, and we can download the clean CSV file here. So let's go to another thing we can use ChatGPT for. So you can use ChatGPT actually to convert files between formats. So just use just use ChatGPT to do that. So quickly, we can also use ChatGPT to solve maths and logic problem. So this is actually useful for students. This is not a cheat for you not to do your assignment. It's just a way to actually um, know. Let's say you have a problem. I mean, an assignment that is giving you a problem, type it on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to show you the calculations. So we are saying that solve this problem. A train travels 180 kilometers in 3 hours, then it slows down and takes 5 hours to travel 200 kilometers. What is the average speed for the whole trip? Show your calculations. So let's see how ChatGPT is going to solve this problem. Can you see? ChatGPT shows solve the problem and shows the answer. So the final answer is 47.5 kilometers, with each steps showing the calculations. So you can use ChatGPT to do more than actually typing your emails and writing your emails. You can use ChatGPT to plot a chart from scratch. So let's quickly do that. So using the sales file, so we want to ask ChatGPT to actually do something for us, and that is um, so using the sales file. So let's now ask ChatGPT. So create a line graph showing the monthly performance of category and category B. So let's see what ChatGPT is gonna do for us. So this is super amazing. So you can use this for your office work. As you can see, ChatGPT created uh, the chart, and we can also download this chart and you can use it for your project and any other things that you need this chart for. So let's also see what else you can use ChatGPT for. You can actually use ChatGPT to create text analysis and sentiment analysis. So this is very important. Maybe you have a project you're working on, if maybe in the office or in school, and you need the text analysis. So let's just try to do this so we can get a picture of what I am talking about. So let's say this is the customer feedback that we need the analysis for. So perform sentiment analysis on this customer feedback data, classify each positive and neutral or negative. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to do for us. This is super amazing. You can use it anywhere, as you can see. Okay, so it will help you actually. As you can see, this is customer feedback sentiment distribution. You can say the positive is 60 and negative is 40. So this, and you can download the sentiment pie chart. Let's say you need it for a project or something. So lastly, I want to talk about, you can even use ChatGPT to do file to file automation. You can use ChatGPT to do to plot the we did that actually. So now I want to use ChatGPT to even write a Python script, from scratch. So, and without knowing how to use Python, how to write code in Python. So now write a simple Python script that calculates monthly loan payment and save it as .py. So can you see? ChatGPT will do this and actually come back, and you can download this. And if you download it, I don't have Python environment or any IDE on my laptop, but if you download it, you can run it, and I'm sure it will do the job. So thank you so much for watching to this point, and if you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget that I will always drop more videos like this. And if you have any videos that you want me to drop in the just drop it in the comments and I'll respond. Thank you so much. Bye.